Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about something that's pretty unique to the times as it relates to what's going on with COVID and the courts. And, here we are in the fall of 2020. COVID's been going on for, 7-8 months or so. And the courts are open, but not really. Mostly everything's being done via Microsoft Teams. And one of the main things what we're seeing are situations where clients or potential clients are getting arrested, bailing out of custody, and then their first court date may not be until March, or their first court date may not be until April. And, some people could look at that time gap in many different ways. There are some people that'll say, okay, great, more time to be proactive, more time to get a fantastic criminal defense law firm on my side who could guide me through that process. Other times, though, if you're battling addiction, if you're battling a mental health condition, that time between arrest and arraignment could be time not well spent. It could be time where you fall into trouble even greater than what you might have gotten yourself into, or at least are accused of getting yourself into on the front end. So a couple of tips, really three things to look at here, how you could be proactive and handle your situation the right way, whether your arraignment, your first court date is in 2 weeks, 2 months, or 4 months. And there's really three things. The first is, if you are suffering from a substance abuse treatment, alcohol, drugs, or a mental health condition, get treatment now. Don't wait until you go to court and the offer from the prosecutor is terrible and the judge is agreeing with the prosecutor about what's an appropriate resolution of your case, and then you have to scramble to get into treatment. Get into treatment now. And that sort of ties into the second component of it, which is make sure you get yourself a quality, locally experienced criminal defense firm to represent you now. So that way your attorney and the team could map out a path on how you could get a better outcome. Okay? Specifically within my firm, we're actually embracing the fact that there's a ton of time between arrest and arraignment for two main reasons. Well, one is, in a way, it actually gives us as a firm more financial flexibility to bring on as many clients that we could help as possible, because understanding that people may not have the full retainer fee within a month or within 2 months, but if their first court date's not that far out, or is that far out, 4, 5, 6 months down the road, it enables us to be a lot more flexible with payment plans and what we could take to get started or work on the case. It also enables our clients to do a lot with that downtime, to really establish a track record, whether it's in treatment, whether it's being proactive in classes, educational classes, get enrolled in school, whatever the case may be, to advance their lives, to show that they are more than what may show up in a police report. They are more than what may show up alleged by a victim, if it was a named alleged victim in a crime. There are so many things that could be done between now and the first court date. And the third thing, obviously the first being, get in treatment, get in help if you need it, certainly. Get a quality criminal defense law firm representing you being the second. And the third is keep your mind occupied, right? Because, thinking about how is this going to affect my future? How is this going to affect my work? Am I ever going to go out back to jail? That's going to keep you up at night. And I know that because I've been there. When I was arrested and facing criminal charges in 2004, it ate away at me. And as much as my attorney said, no news is good news. And, trust me, this is working out. And it's better, the known is sometimes not as good as the unknown. And, do this, and this. I wanted that finality. I wanted to know right away. And it ate away at me. And I wasn't doing the things that I like to do. I wasn't socializing with friends. I wasn't exercising. I wasn't eating healthy. I wasn't taking care of myself. And that is the worst thing possible that you could do when facing felony charges. Don't make the mistake that I did in 2004. Learn from it. Take care of yourself. Take care of your body. Take care of your loved ones. Take care of your employment, your future. Make sure you get the help you need, and that includes hiring a quality, locally experienced criminal defense law firm to protect your rights, help you regain control of your future. 619-295-3555. 619-295-3555 is my firm if you or a loved one need our help.